Samsung has finally unveiled One UI 8, and the moment you start using it, you realize this isn't just another software update. It feels like a whole new way of experiencing your Galaxy phone. Samsung has been building One UI for years, making it cleaner, faster, and more user-friendly with every version, but One UI 8 feels like the leap everyone has been waiting for. It blends futuristic design with smarter AI, tighter ecosystem integration, and enough customization to make your phone feel uniquely yours. The very first impression comes from the lock screen, and Samsung has made sure it's not just a screen you swipe past anymore. With larger, smarter widgets and a brand new adaptive clock that moves dynamically around your wallpaper, your lock screen now feels alive. It doesn't matter if you've set a photo of your pet, a city skyline, or a minimal abstract wallpaper. The clock intelligently avoids covering the main subject, creating a personalized effect that makes your phone feel more responsive to you. Once you unlock the device, the difference is immediately noticeable. Animations are smoother, transitions feel faster, and the overall UI feels lighter than ever. The app icons have been refreshed with subtle gradients and shadows, giving them a modern look without being distracting. Samsung has also reworked the way you move through the system. Swiping between apps feels effortless, and the improved haptic feedback adds a level of realism that makes even simple actions feel satisfying. It's clear Samsung wanted to bring the fluidity of iOS while keeping its own unique identity, and in many ways, it actually outshines the competition. Multitasking is where One UI 8 really flexes its muscle. The split screen feature has been redesigned with smoother resizing controls, and the new ability to save app pairs means you can instantly launch your favorite two apps side by side with just one tap. The pop-up view for floating windows is now more natural, with better snapping and transparency effects, making productivity on a Galaxy phone feel more desktop-like than ever. But what really changes the game is the AI integration. Samsung has quietly built AI features into almost every corner of One UI 8. The Smart Suggestions feature now predicts not just which app you want to open, but also what action you might want to take inside it. For example, if you usually call a specific contact after leaving work, your phone will proactively suggest the call as soon as your location changes. The gallery has become an AI powerhouse, automatically enhancing images, fixing lighting, removing unwanted reflections, and even creating AI wallpapers from your photos. What makes this more impressive is that much of this processing happens directly on the device, giving you both speed and privacy. Samsung is making it clear that it doesn't just want AI to be a buzzword. It wants AI to make your phone genuinely useful in ways that save you time and effort. Customization is another area where Samsung has pushed hard. Themes now go deeper, allowing you to tweak notification panels, system menus, and even the look of incoming calls. Dynamic theming has also been improved, meaning your wallpaper colors extend across the interface in a more consistent way. Widgets are smarter too, automatically adjusting their size to fit the space available on your home screen. Edge panels are cleaner and now come with more tools, turning them into a real productivity hub. The lock screen and Always On display can now be customized with far more detail, giving you control over fonts, colors, and information layout. For users who love to make their phones feel truly personal, One UI 8 is the most flexible Samsung skin yet. Gamers haven't been left out either. The new game booster is smarter, adapting in real time to balance battery, heat, and performance. This means you get high frame rates when you need them, but without the phone overheating or draining the battery too fast. Samsung has also introduced a new game hub that collects all your games, whether installed locally or through cloud platforms, into a single dashboard. It makes launching and managing games far simpler, and it shows Samsung is serious about catering to the growing mobile gaming audience. Privacy and security have also seen meaningful upgrades. One UI introduces a new privacy dashboard where you can monitor app permissions in real time. You'll know exactly when an app accesses your microphone, camera, or location, and you can instantly revoke access with one tap. The new private space is like having a phone within your phone, an encrypted section where you can hide apps, files, and data. It's an extra layer of reassurance, especially for users who share devices or need to keep sensitive content secure. Samsung has also tightened knock security and extended support for regular updates, which means your phone stays protected for years. The ecosystem benefits are another highlight. One UI 8 makes it easier than ever to move between your Galaxy devices. Copying text from your phone and pasting it onto your tablet works instantly, and Galaxy Buds can now auto-switch between your phone, tablet, and laptop depending on what you're using. If you have a Galaxy Watch, notifications sync more reliably, and health data feels better integrated across devices. This interconnected experience is something Apple has mastered, but with One UI 8, Samsung is catching up fast and even surpassing Apple in some areas with flexibility and choice. Battery life and performance optimization have also been refined. The system now learns your charging habits and adjusts charging speed to protect long-term battery health. Power-saving modes are smarter, giving you clearer control over performance versus efficiency. Even older Galaxy devices benefit from these optimizations, proving that Samsung isn't only focusing on its flagship models. Overall performance feels snappier, with apps opening faster, RAM being managed more intelligently, and background processes kept under control. It's a rare update where even budget and mid-range devices feel genuinely refreshed. So, is One UI 8 worth the hype? Absolutely. It's not just about new features. It's about how those features come together to make your phone more personal, more powerful, and more future-ready. Samsung has managed to create a software experience that feels modern, smart, and deeply customizable without being overwhelming. Whether you're someone who loves productivity, customization, gaming, or just a smoother daily experience, One UI 8 has something meaningful to offer. This is the kind of update that makes your phone feel brand new, and that's why One UI 8 isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete evolution of what a Galaxy phone can be.